ChatGPT and Google, which is much more better? Well, I'm a creator on YouTube, and most often I use, Google and YouTube and ChatGPT rather, and creating could be my AI script or whatever. Now, which is much more better? Now, it is true that Google has a lot of fandom base. A lot of people use Google. Kids, kindergarten students use Google for their assignments. But we're talking about real work here, which has much more value. I'll be honest with you. I'll be honest with you. I don't like beating around the bush. I'm going straight right to the point. That ChatGPT is so astounding. Okay, I'm going to be giving you three reasons or more than why I say ChatGPT has much more features compared to Google. Now, take for example, novel creators, people who create novels. You see, a lot of people do use ChatGPT in creating novel content. They just go over to ChatGPT and they ask ChatGPT, uh, please tell me or create a story of 300 words, do this, do that. Yes, create a AI thumbnail text prompt like that. And apart from that, you see that, in fact, ChatGPT has its own unique and standard features that I feel Google can never beat. Just imagine ChatGPT creating a song lyrics for you. On this channel, I always use this song, and if you're probably watching this video, there's this song that might be playing. Yes, this song the song lyrics was actually created by ChatGPT. See, that is the power of ChatGPT. Now, you can go over to Google and tell Google to create the lyrics of the song for you. It's impossible. Google will start giving you different stuffs. And at the end, I bet you won't even get what you're looking for. So this is the first reason why I'll choose ChatGPT more than Google 100 times. Now, there's something unique about ChatGPT. ChatGPT now, they do create images. But before, it's hard for you to see ChatGPT creating images. I think that was then, but now ChatGPT has outstanding features. It now creates images. Web developers, a lot of developers, app developers, copywriters. The In fact, ChatGPT is their working machine, and without ChatGPT, I don't know if any of us in this YouTube industry will be able to focus. So we'll keep on striving because, in fact, ChatGPT is now playing a lot of roles, and it's so incredible. Google, I'm afraid that ChatGPT will have to take over from Google because Google isn't giving us that work tools that we really need in terms of work creation. Everyone is heading over to ChatGPT, and these are the kind of features that web operators, app operators need, and Google don't have them. Even right now, after watching this video, all my editing tools will be used by ChatGPT. I can go over to Google to use those stuff. Now, I'll also tell you something unique about Google that ChatGPT doesn't have. Now, for a fact, with Google, you can search for uh, keywords. I feel this. I don't know about other people, but I'm just trying to be specific about myself. Maybe when I'm trying to look for something, and maybe I ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT tends not to give me really what I'm looking for. But if I just want to make my work easier, I'll just go right to Google, and Google will give me everything I'm looking for without even stressing myself. I think ChatGPT is lacking in this area. I think you have to ask questions, and when asking questions, you have to use good text prompts for you to get a better answer. Now, if you don't use good text prompts when using ChatGPT, you won't be able to make good full use of ChatGPT. Whereas Google isn't really like that for me. Like I said, uh, whatever questions I ask, Google must surely relate one or two keywords related to that particular thing I'm looking for. And I think this is a really good understanding features of Google. And apart from that, Google also has a great outstanding features in terms of um, them. In fact, Google has always been the top one uh, mobile browser operator, and everyone always use Google. Even though now a lot of students are using ChatGPT for their homework and assignments, Google also has its own outstanding features. And I would say that Google is also outstanding. I'm not trying to condemn Google, that Google isn't good, but I'm just trying to let you all know that a lot of people use, like other people who are on YouTube or people who are working on like the app operators, so and so, they usually leverage more on ChatGPT compared to Google. So I would say Google is kind of losing a little bit fandom base compared to what ChatGPT is accumulating every time. Everybody wants to be on ChatGPT. If you create a video, you're creating an image, you're creating everything, a YouTube thumbnail, ChatGPT is doing the work for you. That is so amazing. So I would say, from all what I've been saying, I would have to rate Google and ChatGPT 1/10. Now for Google, I would give Google, I'll be honest with you, I would give Google 6/10. Yeah. And as for ChatGPT, I'll be honest, I would give it uh 8/10. It's not so perfect, but it's so outstanding. So at the end, ChatGPT is the winner. Now, if you think this video matches your interest, or you think maybe things or points listed out in this video is true, that you find ChatGPT more comfortable to use compared to Google, please you can jot it down in the comment section and let us know what particular website you do love using, Google or ChatGPT. Now, I am Delima Fillion, and please, as you can see, I'm a small creator. Support, subscribe. It won't take you a hard thing, or it won't take anything from your body. Just subscribe, okay? Subscribe and like, if possible, share. Thank you all for watching.